Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transit. This is a quick walk around video to show you one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us and for sale today, here we have a WAV, which is a wheelchair accessible vehicle. It is a Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium L2H1. So this is quite a rare thing. It's a long wheelbase, fits two wheelchairs in the second and third row respectively. You've got a short one-piece ramp just underneath the tailgate, automatic electric step on the left hand on the passenger side, second row, as you can see in the video. You have 8 Q restraints to secure the wheelchair, one fixed seat in the second row left hand position as well. Again, I'll show you more in just a minute. So 130 PS 6-speed automatic gearbox, covered just over 21,000 miles and registered in March 2019. So comes with full Roywood Transit 6 months, no quibble warranty. Excellent condition inside and out, metallic Moondust silver. You can see the long wheelbase, and this is a titanium series. Oh sorry, RE as well, so low floor, so extra headroom, extra space in the back on this one as well. Dual side loading doors, titanium series, so well spec'd inside and out. You get body colour door handles, parking sensors front and rear, glazed second, third row and tailgate windows, 16-inch alloy wheels, body colour side mouldings. Inside the cab you've got IcePack 21, so that's the 8-inch touchscreen, connect your phone for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got corner and fog lights, chrome effect grille with the special chrome 5-bar grills on there, Ford heated windscreen, as well as plenty more. So with the one-piece ramp now lowered, we can use the electric soft start winch to enter the back of the WAV. So using this detachable controller, gently pulls the wheelchair in, where you can see the fixed Q restraints. We've got the 2 right at the front, 2 just behind that, and then we've got the rear restraints. Again, I'll show you the wheelchair fixed in just a minute. And then straight ahead, you've got the second row fixed seat, left-hand side, plus the 3 in the front, so 4 travel seats and 2 wheelchair positions. So inside the back's very comfortable. You've got manual air conditioning. We've got grab posts on the pillar and sun blinds as well. To then secure the wheelchair, we pull the front restraints and attach them according to your user manual, and we then lock them into place, just like so. The rear restraints then slide into place and attach again according to your user manual. This now enables us to attach the lap and diagonal 3-point seat belt, which then connects around the front. And then we will repeat the process for the wheelchair in a third row position. And you can now see the wheelchair safe and secure in the third row, along with, again, lap and diagonal 3-point seatbelt. Right, now into the cabin. Excellent condition, like the rest of the vehicle. You've got various chrome effects within the cab. Leather trim steering wheel. 6-speed automatic gearbox. Touchscreen just beyond that, show you more in just a second. Then we've got the 2 passenger seats. We've got a fold-down table and useful storage underneath. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric windows, power folding door mirrors. Automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected through Bluetooth. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And just confirming the mileage. So here we have the leather trimmed chrome effect. This is the automatic gear selector. So of course, just the 2 pedals down there. And then just beyond that, you've got your manual air conditioning You've got your 2 heated seats, your heated windscreen. You've got quick clear and quick cool. Then just above that, Ice Pack 21, so an 8-inch touchscreen, good blend, physical and touchscreen buttons. FM, AM, DAB radio. Connect your phone through USB up on the dashboard. And you can then access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, really great feature. And the screen also displays your front and rear parking sensors. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a great example of a long wheelbase WAV wheelchair accessible vehicle. So 4 fixed seats, positions for 2 wheelchairs, one in the second row and one in the third row. This is a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Lovely low mileage, just covered just over 21,000 miles. Ice Pack 21 inside the cab, so that's the 8-inch touchscreen. You've got electric soft start winch, 1-piece ramp, 8 Q restraints. You've got an automatic electric step on the passenger side as well. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.